Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is the percent proportion. You are going to learn it here the easy way. We are going to learn today how to use the percent proportion to find the percent, the part, or the whole. I want you to take note how to find the percent. For example, what percent of 8 is 10? Since we do not know the percent, let us designate it as x over 100 so that it will be converted to fraction. And then, the number that are given is 8 over 10. Following that, we're going to apply the cross multiplication product. Therefore, 8 times 100, we are going to write it below. 8 times 100. Afterwards, we're going to crisscross or cross-multiply 10 times x. It will give us 10x. Let us cancel the 10 on the right side of the equation, which will lead us to divide 10 on both sides of the equation. Accordingly, we can cancel now the 10 on the right side of the equation. Likewise, we can cancel out also 1 0 on the numerator and 1 0 on the denominator on the left side of the equation. To simplify 8 times 10, it will give us 80. Therefore, 8 is 10% of 80. It is easy, right? To find the part, I want you to take note of this. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. What number is 20% of 40? Since we have 20% on the question, we can divide it by 100 so that we can convert it into fraction. Consequently, we are looking for the part of 40. Therefore, we can write P over 40. Using the cross multiplication product, we can multiply 100 times P. And multiplying 20 times 40, it will give us 100p is equal to 800. We are going to divide 100 on both equations to eliminate 100 on the left side. Accordingly, we can cancel out 100 on the left side of the equation so that we can solve for p. And 800 divided by 100, we can cancel out the 2 zeros on the numerator and denominator. Accordingly, p is equal to 8. If we are going to find the whole, I want you to take note of the steps also. 25 is 10% of what number? We need to convert the 10 into fraction so that it will give 10 over 100. And 25 over what number? The whole number. Thereby, it will give us the equation 25 over W is equal to 10 over 100. Applying the cross multiplication product, we can multiply 10 times W, which is equal to 25 times 100. To simplify the equation, it will give us 10W is equal to 2,500. We are going to divide both sides of the equation by 10 so that we can eliminate 10 on the left side. Subsequently, we can cancel out the 10 on the left side and we can cancel out 1, 0 on the right side. For that reason, it will give us W is equal to 250. Let us work on this example so that everything will be clear to you. What percent of 250 dirhams is 50 dirhams? We are going to write the part over the whole, 50 over 250, and the percentage over 100%. Let us apply the cross multiplication product. We're going to multiply 50 times 100, which will be equal to 250 times the percentage. To simplify 50 times 100, it will give us 5,000, which is equal to 250 times the percentage. Let us divide both sides by 250 so that we can eliminate 250 on the right side. Accordingly, we can eliminate 250 on the right side and we can work on 5,000 divided by 250. To make our work simpler on division, we can cancel out 1 0 on the numerator and denominator, which will give us 500 divided by 25. That will give us 20%. Therefore, 50 dirhams of 250 is 20%. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. What number is 70% of 280? We are looking for the number that is part of 280. Therefore, n over 280 is equal to 70 over 100. Applying the cross multiplication product, it will give us 70 times 280, which is equal to 100 times n. Simplifying the equation, 70 times 280 will give us 19,600. This is equal to 100 times n. Dividing both sides by 100 to eliminate 100 on the right side. Canceling out 100 on the right side, we can work on 19,600 divided by 100. We can still simplify our work on division, so we can cancel out 2 zeros on the numerator and denominator on the left side. Therefore, it will give us 196 divided by 1. Accordingly, n will give us 196. 70% of 280 is 196. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. 40 is 50% of what number? Since we have 50%, we can convert it into fraction, and it will give us 50 over 100. And 40 is part of a whole. Accordingly, 50 over 100 is equal to 40 over W. Applying the cross multiplication product, we can come up with 100 times 40, which is equal to 50 times W. Simplifying 100 times 40, it will give us 4,000. It is equal to 50 times W. Dividing both sides by 50 to eliminate the 50 on the right side, we can work out on 4,000 divided by 50. To simplify our division, we can cancel out 1 0 on the numerator and denominator. Therefore, it will give us 400 divided by 5. And we can come up with W is equal to 80. Therefore, 40 is 50% of 80. To wrap it up in finding the percent, the ratio must be always the part over the whole. Even in the percent, it must be the part over the whole. Correspondingly, in finding the part, we're going to convert the percent into fraction. Therefore, we're going to divide the percent by 100. Likewise, it will be equal to the part of the number over the whole number, and we're going to apply the cross multiplication product to solve for the part. Correspondingly, in finding the whole, the ratio must always be the part over the whole, and the percent must always be converted into fraction. Therefore, we are going to divide it by 100. Then, apply the cross multiplication product so that we can solve for the whole. I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in the dark alley. We need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in our future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back and revise it again. Watch it slowly, step by step, and I know you can get it. Our life is always a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I always want you to score high in math and be wise and healthy. Okay? Till next math lesson, be safe. Bye-bye.